Hey guys, it's me, Emily, and if you guys watched my last video for probably about 10 minutes ago, I'm going to be doing some doll hair repair.
Do you know the way?
And if Jordan doesn't get out of my room, he's going to get it.
Do you know the way?
Mom!
Do you know
Mom! Okay guys, so what you're going to need is a spray bottle. I'm just using an empty perfume bottle. You want to put 3 to 3.5 pumps conditioner. I use conditioner. You can use liquid soap, fabric softener, or conditioner. I'm just using conditioner. Then you want to fill up the rest with some water. And yeah, and then you just want to shake it. So yeah, okay, so then you got that. And it does not matter how much conditioner you use. I actually have no idea how much I need. Okay, this is actually my first doll hair repair video. So let's hope it goes good. So we got that. And then I have this brush that I actually only use for my dolls. And it's actually a really, really cheap brush. You could probably get these 2 in a pack, I don't know how much really, at the Dollar Tree. This is actually just a regular brush. Depending on how bad your doll's hair is, this is just a plastic brush. But if it's really bad, you want to use a metal brush or a stronger brush than this. And then the last thing you'll probably want is a cover. So then you don't make any big, huge spills on the table, on the floor, or on the carpet, or wherever you're doing it. So I'm just using 2 really old books. So yeah. So I'm a lucky girl that gets to get a hair repair. Well, it's actually 2. It is these 2. Their hair is actually perfect. I just want it to look cute. So what you want to do is you're gonna put the hair into sections, short little sections. Sorry, you guys can't really see. I'm gonna try getting as close as I can. So yeah. So you want to get it into sections. That is very, very easy to spray. So here we go. Now we'll just spray it down. Jordan, if you say it, I'm ripping Grover's head off.
Do you know the way? No.
Get out of my room.
Do you know?
Okay, so yeah, you want to spray the section of the hair.
And do you know the way?
As much as you need.
And as much as you know the way.
And don't be afraid to get a little bit on your hands. That's okay. See, like I'm doing. I'm getting kind of a lot on my hands, but that's okay. Okay, then what you want to do is start brushing out the hair. Little sections work the most. And you actually want to start at the tips and then work your way up. Yeah, oh gosh. So this doll's hair is really easy to comb through. One thing that'll help it if it is tangled is the conditioner and stuff, so yeah. But yeah, it's really, really smooth. So yeah. So I might actually do one with a doll that has hair that really does need it. And then after a little bit, after like that doll's hair done, I'll get back onto these guys. So you guys will still be a video. So I'm gonna do this Barbie doll's hair. And if you guys didn't watch the other video, this is a Barbie doll that has sticky and stiff hair, and yeah. And look, I can hardly even get my brush even through it. So we'll do the same thing with this one. Just spray it down. Spray it all over. And use as much as you need because it is reusable. So yeah. And if you guys do not actually want to waste, just go ahead and spray on the top and then mix it into the hair. So yeah, okay. So now we'll do the same thing that we were gonna do. So I just start at the tips. Oh gosh. Yeah, this doll's hair is hard. Holy. Shamoli. Oh gosh. Doll's hair is so hard to brush out. Brush out. Okay. So, man. Wow, this dog's hair is hard. Really, really hard to brush out. This dog is going to need a lot of this stuff. Just because if this actually will work, let's hope it will. Because, yeah, so, oh, there we go. Starting to get a little bit easier. But yeah, if you guys are a little bit younger, you might want a parent supervision. But yeah. So yeah, you can either get, yeah, so this is, whoa, tough. Oh, and you guys, if you guys do watch, SML, which is actually just Super Mario Logan, that's what the whole name is, tell me in the comments section below, who is your favorite character? My favorite is probably Chef Pee Pee. He's funny. Chef Pee Pee is probably my favorite. And also tell me which SML video is your absolute favorite. Mine is probably Jeffy's shirt. That's probably my favorite. But they are all super amazing. And guess what? You know what? The YouTube police, I guess, not really, they are trying to delete SML's channel. Oh good, look, it's working so well. Try the bottoms, hope it works too. Oh yay, this is working out good. Oh yay, look at that. And if you guys do use some fabric softener, the steps to that is same. First you gotta spray it on, brush it out. Then what you want to do is rinse the fabric softener out under cold or in the sink with hot water and dish soap or any other soap. Then you want to put it into boiling hot water for 3 minutes. Then you want to put it into freezing water for 1 minute. Take it out and pat dry the hair. And then let it air dry. Do not use a blow dryer. Let it air dry overnight. And yeah, that should work. So, but this doll, I'm just using conditioner and I don't think it'll need it. So here she is. Gorgeous hair now. I love it. Well, we'll let this sit a little bit and let's get back onto the Frozen dolls. There we go. So, Okay, time to check underneath. Oh, this side's awful easy. Yay. Whoever made these frozen dolls, I'm impressed. Shout out to you guys. Woo! Okay. So I think her hair is done. What I was thinking about doing is making Anna and Elsa's hair not the same color, but like the same style. That's what I really want to do. I thought they would adorable as twins, even though they really won't actually be twins. But like the same kind of hairdo, that would look totally adorable. So yeah, let's get Anna's hair now. Then we'll just do the same process. Start off the tips, work your way up. Little sections work best. Oh, and then you want to brush it down too. Then once you get the tips all good, you want to brush it down like that, and I'll check underneath. Ooh, good. Ooh, look at it. She got a whole bunch of little curls right here. So I like how her hair is. I did not make it do this. It just turned out like it on its own. It has straight, and it goes about right to the middle of her head or to the beginning of her ears. Little tiny little curls. And then it starts stretching out to be bigger curls. And then it's not even curls. And I think it's just the cutest look ever for Anna. You know, I want to know, who is your favorite Frozen character? Or if you don't like Frozen, just say your favorite movie or movie character. So yeah. And there her hair is. Totally adorable. And Puffy. Puffy and Puffy. Cute. And Puffy. And adorable. Now let's check out Elsa. So what she has, it goes straight to her ear, and then it starts going into big curls. Big loopy curls. And I think that's cute too. Well, that's it for this video. Please like if you liked it. Bye!